What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. New subscribers, thank y'all for joining in to me watching my videos. This is the wife's GAGT. We are currently camming it, waiting for the stage 2 TSP. So today on this video, I'm going to be removing the crank pulley, front cover, and then try to get as much stuff as I can. The lifter is stuck on this block right here, so I'm trying to see if I can take it out, if I can remove the cam from it, and then they'll let me drop it in there. To take the crank pulley off of that one from the procharger, because I have the AC wobble, or the pulley is bent, so I got a new one I got to install on that one. And here's the giveaway truck. We got to give it out probably next week or so. So stay tuned, guys. So if you're a new subscriber, like I said, this is my wife's GAGT, and that is my procharged pontiac GAGT. So stick around, subscribe, like, share, do what you got to do. Work on my own vehicles, do my own stuff. So pretty cool. Thank y'all for joining, liking, subscribing, and let's get to the video. So we gotta get this socket to fit in the, should be this one. All right, that's good. So I have enough space to get my impact here. Should be able to pull the bolt off, and then I'll have to I have the claw. I'll use that to pull it out. All right, so here I got the most of the DOD stuff. So that's the top valley cover that goes here, but without the active management. Got a bunch of other goodies in here, but let me get this out for now. Get that off. Actually, we'll be back. Go get his plates for his car, but we'll be back to this. Take his Cadillac 2.0 T. So nice graduation present. Yes, sir. Nice car too. Alright, so we're cruising here in this 2016 ATS 2.0 T. Gets up to like 27, 30 pounds. Yeah, so forward a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, this car is pretty nice, smooth. But let me get to where we need to go and go back to the Jeep. All right, go, go, go. I think so. I like this car. So I wouldn't mind getting one of these cars. Park the G8.
Make a U-turn right here?
Yeah, make a pretty nice looking ATS 2.0. Plan on helping him doing like a downpipe, exhaust for sure, intake, so you can try to hear the turbo on this thing. On the coupe. All right, back to the video. Let's go ahead and use the M18. I think what it is. Everything. So it is fuck, what kind of brand is this? I forgot the brand of this thing. Let me get the claw and try to pull it out. All right, he's gonna wash the car real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and it's gonna be noisy for I'm gonna go ahead and remove the pulley, and then I'm gonna help him wash it real quick. I got the tool here from Advance. Fix my pulley like I said, so I can try to return. So I can return this thing. It's $100. I don't want to get stuck with, you know. So let me get this thing here, and here. So that should work. Let me pull this off real quick. And let me find the size. That'll work. Let me get a ratchet and just start going slowly. Alright, battery's about to die. I'm gonna go charge it, but it's coming off. Look at that. Really easy. Bam. Look at that. Alright, so just like that, take these bolts off. Good thing none of them really stripped. But take the cam plate off. Do got a new one, so never want to use the same cam plate for the reason that this has a gasket and it's super flush, so definitely don't use the same cam. The cam, it's not gonna come out at opposite lifter, so let me try to pop the lifter up. So I was actually able to push the lifter up a little higher than normal. That it did allow me to slide out the cam. So let me go ahead and try to remove the cam right now. I'm sure the lifter's gonna have to fall in, so that means if I don't have to pull the motor out, drop the pan and try to find it that way. But anything not to pull the motor out. I don't want to pull the motor out at the moment. So let me move this condenser a little bit out of the way. I think I should be able to pull it out. Did it on that one 2 times, 3 times. But other than that, it's Alright guys, got the magic stick out. A lot of people say you do have to remove the bumpers. No, you do not. You just gotta undo your AC condenser. The good thing, this one didn't have no Freon in it, so I was able to just undo those two, and you undo the power steering line bolt, and it allows you to pull up the condenser higher than normal and the cam to slide out. So cam is out and bearing is no good, so block does have to come out. Son of a biatch. Alright guys, so this is the one with the bad lifter. So that lifter is damaged really bad. I'm sure the roller broke off of it, but you can see how it's a little lopsided. And this on the side. Still waiting for my cam to come. It is the next day. The camera died, so I couldn't record. I did put the car I already got the starter off. So I got the starter off already. The flywheel converter bolts, and then I need to lower the car back down and then try to get the bolts on the back of the bell housing. Engine hoist and probably chain unless I can borrow the plate. But I think for now I'm gonna go ahead and just try to take the flywheel bolts off real quick. Work on that car a little bit. It's hot out here in Texas, man. We need some AC. Alright, so I got the 3 bolts off the flywheel to the converter. Man, that was a pain in the butt, especially no lift, no nothing. So only thing I have to do is take the bolts off the bell housing here, but I should be done in the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car, take the jack stands out of the car, take them out. That way it gives me more space, and I could be able to undo the back bolts on them. Alright, so I got my 13 bolts off on the back of the transmission already. So pretty much everything's already detached from the block. So the only thing I need to do is undo the compressor lines, finish this bolt right here, air connectors, and that's about it. So tomorrow I'm gonna go borrow the engine plate, the hoist plate, and then a hoist to pick up the whole motor. I'm done for this one, so I get the stuff. Brought it to G8. I don't know why I didn't think, but should have gave y'all a cool start. I haven't driven in a few days. Because I'm gonna try to fix the fan. It's overheating, and the fan, I don't think this fan's turning on, so I'm gonna try to figure it out real quick. I'm not gonna borrow the fan shroud thing, and I think it has to do with this. Yeah, oh shit, it's all jacked up. Let me fix that, see if the fan works. Alright, man, the piping on this color, it still looks good. I gotta redo it, but like I said, I'm gonna do it with the Go Flakes because this one caught fire. So remove this fan shroud. Alright, so the overheating issue is, I don't know if you can see it, it's toasted. So I already replaced 2 of the engine or the fan harnesses because they keep going out. It's very toasted inside, and also it's broken. I'll buy one later. Car's motor, which originally this was my car, and I switched it and I was testing it. So this one actually is good. Connector is all toasted. Put that back in here, should be good to go. Alright guys, so this is the old harness. Look, it's pretty bad. Even on this side it's really bad. So I'm gonna try to find this whole front end harness, which is discontinued from GM, so I can't find it, but I'm gonna try to clean this one out for now. I already got a new one, new connectors, so hopefully this doesn't get burnt because of that right there. If it does, that has to definitely be changed. That works. Got the new harness in, the other G8 fan shroud with the motor, the harness on here, the connection went to AutoZone, got me a copper thingy, whatever it is. Water, there's coolant in there, but I'm gonna pull the radiator out so I can do the AC thing. Has to be next week now. So the G8, see if the fans work. Like I said, I took the connector off over there and straight connected it. Fix this connector, change out the fan motors and stuff. I fixed it all. Let me see if it goes down, and probably go for around the block real quick. Alright, look like it's doing good. Temperature is down. Yeah, it looks like we're good. There it is, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Just stay tuned. Next week I'll be pulling the motor out on the G8 and then dropping it off at the machine shop. But this one came out good. It's not overheating. It's actually a lot lower than what it's supposed to be normally. But other than that, it's pretty good. So like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for subscribing, and catch you next time.